Okay, so here's my Mustang Cobra 1979 model, and it's a one-of-one car. There were 369,937 1979 Mustangs built. 120,536 were three-door fastbacks. 17,584 were equipped with the Cobra package, which is quite a few. 8,631 of these came with a 5-litre 302 V8. The others would have been turbos, 2.3 turbos. 3,926 had the 4-speed manual overdrive transmission, which my car has. 380 of them were polar white. Now you start getting low in the numbers. 24 of them had the red cloth and vinyl low back bucket seats. And I've got a new seat kit to replace this one, original. You can see the car here. It's out of South Dakota. Pretty well rust-free. Just a very original car in all respects. Paint's a little flat, but it'll come back quite nicely. But all original car, not a rusty car at all. 2 were equipped with the power lock group, and 1 had intermittent windscreen wipers, and that is my car. 1 of almost 370,000. Here's the decal set that I've ordered, replacement decal. Okay, so here's the Mustang Cobra being picked up. The clutch was actually stuck on the car, so you try to move it, just putting your foot on the clutch, it doesn't work because it's engaged. So I'm having the car now taken to a mechanic I know, a mate of mine. He's going to free it up. So I was able to start it because it had a sign on the windscreen saying do not drive, and I thought, what the hell? So when I bought the car, it was running driving car. So I was wondering what was wrong with it. So I thought maybe there was a problem with the engine, but engine's fine. I started it up. I had it in neutral, then started it up, and it sounded really good. But when I tried to put it in gear, it was smoking on the clutch, and then it stalled basically, and then the clutch was still engaged. So anyway, we'll see how we go. I mean, it'll be a fairly simple thing to fix, but yeah, it needs to be sorted out before I can use it. The tailpipes, it looks that they only go just ahead of the fuel tank, so that needs to be sorted. I don't want exhaust like that on the car. That's crazy. Anyway. Here she is. In all its glory. Always love the 79 Mustangs. I do have an 86 GT convertible and also an 86 police car, but I love the 79 model. And I saw this car, all original Cobra, that old worn decal. I just thought it looked terrific. So I'm going to fix up the paint. I've got new decals for it, as I said, and it's definitely worth fixing up. Freed up the clutch. That was a simple job done. I got the guys to do a service on the car, and yeah, drives well. I drove it back to storage place where I've got it. 5-litre V8, you can see there the 302. It's only a 2V. It's a 2-barrel, not a 4-barrel. So I've always wanted one of these Mustangs. I think really terrific car. That's the back there. It's a 3-door lift back. It's got the ZJ style tail lights, which you'd be familiar with. Check out my ZJ Fairlane episode. Those very cool alloy wheels. I love those. I really wanted a 79 Mustang for the collection. I saw this colour combination. I couldn't resist. So Jack Telnack was the designer, head of Ford Design, and he wanted this more aerodynamic front. He had to convince Ford to go this way, and he could show that there were fuel consumption benefits by having a more angled front, and that led to more aero cars down the track, including things like the Taurus. So thanks very much for watching. Please give the Mustang 79 one-of-one Cobra a thumbs up, a like, and also be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future episodes. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.